Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, we will be discussing about top 5 companies that provide permanent work from home opportunities for its employees. All the companies that I have mentioned in this particular list are remote first companies. So, without any further ado, let's start the session. Number 5 is Udaan. Udaan is a B2B marketplace which was founded by ex Flipkart employees. It is used to give permanent remote opportunities even before work from home was a thing. Udaan typically tends to hire remote software engineers, and it's probably one of the first companies in the country to do so. Udaan, just like any startups, has a lot of good greenfield opportunities and projects in it. Apart from it, their compensation is generally based heavy and they also give you ESOPs. So now, as mentioned in that particular video, Udaan gives ESOPs at a strike price of 0, which essentially means that all the shares that they give as part of each ops, you get direct access to it without having to pay something to the company. Definitely, Udaan has a huge stock upside associated with it. However, one thing to note is that the time it takes to IPO will be huge. Here, the hierarchy is pretty flat and you get direct access to co-founders, which means if you do good work, if you are hardworking enough, you will definitely get the required visibility. The growth factor is tremendous. Definitely a good company to check out. The compensation offered by Udaan sometimes also depend on your previous compensation, but in general it is definitely at par with that of Flipkart. In fact, even more at time. Now, number 4 is Slack. It is primarily located in Pune. It is not technically opening an office when you acquire a small company and convert it into Slack, but it is what it is. Slack offers amazing compensation. I say it rivals the best out of there in the industry. The work life balance that Slack has is, in one word, amazing. Apart from going remote, first, which although it is a remote first company, it does not mean that all the offices are now gone. They will still have offices, but they will run at a reduced capacity to cater to different needs that different people might have. One cool thing or a different thing about Slack is that their interview generally are less on data structure and algorithm and more on the actual things that you will be doing as a software developer. Quite similar to Gojek and Twinlio. The interview structure at Slack looks like as follows. They have around 3 to 4 rounds, with one round being a code review round where you actually review a piece of code that they share with you. Another round is basically an architecture design round where it's similar to a system design based upon. If you are applying for a software engineer or senior software engineer or in a higher role, it can be limited to low level design or might snowball into a higher level design kind of a discussion. Third round is a hiring manager round, which generally revolves around the project that you have done or the work that you have done. And another round is the behavior interview, which has become an integral part of interviewing of late in most of the companies. As you see, they have very less dependent on data structure and algorithm. So if you are someone who is or who does not want to go through the data structure and algorithm kind of interview rounds, then Slack might be a good company. Number 3 is VMware. VMware is an American cloud computing and virtualization technology company headquartered in California. In India, its office building is present in Bangalore. However, this company has also gone completely work from home So even after pandemic ends, your work from home will still remain. There are a host of benefits that VMware offers. For example, as a gesture of employees working from home, they have given their employees up to 30,000 rupees on like reimbursement on purchasing any item related to work from home. Apart from that, all the standard benefits are present here. Along with it, there is another additional benefit of well-being allowance, which is approximately around 60,000 rupees every year, which you can reimburse for your mental, physical, emotional, and financial well-being. One con, however, about VMware is the type of work that you will be doing. It is definitely a very niche category of work. It does not mean that you will do bad work, not at all. You will definitely do good challenging work, and there are like many new project that are coming up out there. However, the scope as well as the type of project is extremely limited to a certain domain. Number two is Indeed. It is definitely one of the good companies out there that has amazing pay as well as great work-life balance. The product in which they are working is also extremely domain specific, and the exposure is narrow, which means you will definitely be challenged there, but the type of work and the technologies that they are using will definitely be domain determined. Indeed, simply put, is a job search portal just like LinkedIn. However, it does not have the social media aspect of LinkedIn associated with it till now. Indeed is located in Hyderabad before pandemic as well. They had pretty flexible policies like open PTO, which means unlimited vacation days. Indeed is probably the only company that I have seen till now which gives out the range of their base salary in their job description. Definitely one of the better companies to work for, a good work life balance and decently good challenging problem that you will be solving in this company. Number one is GitHub, a source code management and code collaboration platform. GitHub is owned by Microsoft. However, it is still an independent company just like LinkedIn. It is just that it's just that parent company Microsoft, and the policies and GitHub is much better than that of Microsoft case in point being going remote first. However, GitHub is still located inside the Hyderabad campus, Microsoft campus. The tech stack is GitHub is predominantly Java based, unlike the C Sharp tech stack at Microsoft. The pay at GitHub is completely similar to that Microsoft, and work life balance is also amazing. I really hope that you like the video. If you have any doubt or any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.